Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Frowny Fox. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a line across, and then 2 angles down to form a triangle. Next, on both sides, let's add the eyes. Let's start with a curve going up, and the same on the right. Now at the top, let's draw a downwards curve on both sides. Then hop underneath and let's draw a curve down and back into the side of the nose. Now let's move inside the left eye and let's draw an oval. And a smaller one inside the right eye. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. We'll start under the nose and let's draw 2 curves going down and out. Then let's continue them by curving them out and down. Now let's hop back up and let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then connect them at the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and let's draw the top of the head. In between the eyes, let's draw a curve. Then another one on the right side. And then one more at the top. And now next to it, let's draw a curve going out to the left. Now on both sides, let's add the ears. We'll start with a curve going up and out. And the same on the right. Then from the tops, let's curve it back down and in towards the mouth. Now let's hop inside each of the ears and let's draw a wavy line across the top. And then let's hop downwards and we're going to draw a curve. And then a pointed curve in the ear and back down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 small curves down for the neck. Then let's curve it out and bring it back down underneath. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a heart shape. Next, we're going to move inside and we're going to draw a crack down the center of the heart. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a line down, then angle it up and back down. And now let's do the same thing next to it on the right. And now let's color this in black. Next, let's hop on top of the heart and let's draw 2 lines down starting underneath the head. And then continue both of these lines down underneath. Lastly, let's add the belly patch. Let's start near the top and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now for the bottoms, let's curve it back in towards the belly. And then let's add a curve inside each of the hands. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 curves down on the left side. And the same thing on the right. And then close off the bottom of each leg with a curve. Now let's hop inside and let's add one more curve across. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start between the legs and let's draw a curve down and over to the left. And then continue it on the other side by curving it up. And then let's curve it back in on top. And then let's hop inside and let's add one more curve near the end. And that's it for Frowny Fox. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!